What's happening, everyone? It's your boy here, Abdurrahim. We are back again with another great, amazing tech video. The video of today is all about the Porodo compact portable speaker, which is really kind of impressive. For further ado, let's get started on this video of today. Whoa, that was a catch. So as you can see, guys, here with me, I got the Porodo compact portable speaker, which is really kind of impressive. So for further ado, let us just unbox this kind of bad boy and see what's packed inside. So guys, here we have it. This is the Porodo compact portable speaker. As you can see somewhere there stated compact portable speaker, which is really kind of impressive. Now before we get started, this is a 10 watts speaker. As you can see here, it's stated it has an aux port, FM radio, 1500 milliamp of battery, and what you get, it's a Bluetooth 5.0, and you get a USB audio input and a micro SD card support, and it can play up to 6 hours of playtime, which is really kind of impressive. Now enough of me talking, let us just dive in and see what's packed. We got a sticker here. What's happening? What's cooking? So as you can see, this is how we gotta remove it, and this is our speaker. I'm gonna keep it aside first. So guys, this is a micro USB cable which comes with it, which is really kind of great. You get an aux cable here, which is really kind of awesome. Last but not least, some paperwork how you can use the speaker, which is really kind of impressive. So I think this speaker is a Porodo by Soundtech, which is really kind of awesome. As you can see here, Soundtech, which is really kind of great. Here we have it, guys. This is our bad boy. We're gonna just remove that kind of stuff. It's really kind of dope thing. It's really kind of awesome. Woo! This is really cool. Looks like a car speaker, but in a mini kind of format. You see, like I've come across, like in the cars nowadays, they usually keep a bigger speaker at the back, which is really kind of great. You can see here it's been written chill. You need to take a chill pill with this kind of speaker. So somewhere here, as you can see, guys, this is everything whereby it's going on. You can see this is an on button, which I think it's just powering it on, and another kind of stuff. These are clicky button. I love the way they kept this kind of clicky button. They are not making that much noisy. It's impressive. A USB port. I think this is for dongling up your flash drives if you want to. An aux cable and micro USB cable here, and a micro SD card, which is really kind of awesome. Now we're gonna pair it up and see what's packed through this kind of bad boy. Does it have enough to showcase us what it's packed? Because I'm just speechless with the way they kept it, and it's really kind of awesome thing. You can see somewhere here it's been written Boombox. So this is a Boombox, mini Boombox. So guys, we're gonna just play right now because I paired already. Just like that. We're gonna increase the volume. Whoa. Whoa. That's incredible. Whoa, this is a Boombox for real. Damn, that sound, it's spectacular. Woo! That's incredible. Just I'm impressed, guys. 10 watts of speaker size. It's really robust from this kind of portable, and just the form factor, it's an ABS material, so it's really kind of awesome. It keeps steady things up in here. It's really kind of great. You can see how much they kept the standing, which it's really kind of great. No bad thing. I wish there could be some rubbers here, but anyways, it's really still good thing to be having this kind of speaker around. But you see, it slips sometimes, because if you had some rubbers in here, it could just stay at the same position. You keep it, and it's really kind of impressive still. I'm speechless throughout Porodo, what they're packed throughout this kind of speaker. To be honest, it's really kind of game changer. To be honest, on this kind of speaker, it's really kind of awesome. the music which it gives you, it's spectacular. I'm just speechless on how much it just carry out throughout the music. To be honest, on this kind of compact boombox from Porodo by Soundtech, it's really kind of awesome. I don't know what to say, but from the scale of 10 to 0, this kind of bad boy scores 9 throughout the list of Porodo Soundtech products throughout this kind of compact speaker. I know Porodo have bigger speakers than this one, but this one, it's really kind of way to go. You can just carry it and go with it anywhere you want, and you just toss it somewhere and have a good time with your friends, and it's really kind of awesome. But beware that on this kind of speaker, it's just having 6 hours of music time, which I think it's downside. I wish it could be having almost like 8 hours. So on the, perhaps if Porodo and Soundtech come up with something else, I think the compact mini 2 or the compact portable speaker 2, they could just enhance throughout the battery life. But anyways, still, it's a really kind of great kind of speaker, and I'm really kind of enjoying it out throughout this kind of speaker. Thing about this kind of speaker, the sound goes from this side and this side. It does not go this way. It does not have speakers here or here, but they're going from this side, which is really kind of impressive. Play it again. Whoa, this is a great speaker. That's what's up, guys. I hope you enjoyed on this kind of video today. This is the Porodo compact portable speaker. It's really impressive. You want to grab it, you're living in Arusha, you can get it at Gadgetronix. And another kind of stuff, you're new here, consider subscribing to your homeboy here. And for further ado, I'm gonna catch you guys on the next one. As always, stay sharp and creative. Kudos, guys, and peace.